In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Google Tasks. Get, create, task in Sheets. To start, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to work in. The goal here is to create Google Tasks directly from your sheet so your action items live right alongside your data. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and that the sheet is open in the browser tab you intend to use. On the right side of Sheets, look for the side panel. Click the Tasks icon. It's the small blue circle with a check mark. If you don't see the panel, click Show Side Panel at the bottom right to reveal it. This opens Google Tasks without leaving your sheet so you can keep your context and your to-dos in one place. In the Task panel, click Add a Task. This is where you'll create the item that will also show up in the Tasks mobile app and in other Google Workspace apps. Creating it from Sheets helps keep your workflow cohesive. Type a clear, action-oriented title. Think email vendor with Q1 figures instead of something vague. A good title makes it easy to scan your list later and immediately know what to do. Use the details field to capture context you'll need when you execute. You might include a brief note about the row or range you're working on, relevant identifiers, or a short checklist of subpoints. Keeping details concise but specific reduces back and forth and prevents mistakes when you return to the task. Next, set a due date. Click the date option and choose when this needs to be completed. Assigning a date turns a general intention into a scheduled commitment, and it allows Google to surface reminders across devices. If timing matters, add a specific time. This is great for deadlines, handoffs, or reminders you want during working hours. Time alerts follow your account's time zone settings, so confirm those if you operate across regions. When everything looks right, click Done. Your task is saved, appears in the sidebar, and will sync to Google Tasks elsewhere. From here, you can open it later to edit, reschedule, or mark it complete. It's all without disrupting your spreadsheet. Repeat the same process for other action items as you review your data. By pairing Google Sheets with Google Tasks, you keep your planning and execution tightly aligned, and nothing slips through the cracks.